Yeah, you see, that's the thing. At this point, it's really all just rhetoric because to some extent, we expect that demand will continue to pick up next year. Most analysts are already including some modest expectations for demand growth next year. I mean, we're carrying like 0.7% expectation for next year, but most analysts in the market are also carrying somewhere in the region of 0.8 to 0.9% increase in demand next year. Now, what that means is that, yes, there will be room for more OPEC production, but compared to where OPEC is today, I don't think it's a lot of bandwidth for them to actually start ramping up production the way they are. We've seen production rise about over 300,000 barrels in the last 2 months. Last month was 173. The month before that was about 155, 156. So you are looking at a significant increase. And if it continues in this month, then OPEC has really ramped up another 500,000 barrels per day. Then you start to ask yourself, how much can they really cut? Because right now, what Iraq is pushing for is that, look, Saudi Arabia, you have to be the one to make the cut. But think about it. Saudi Arabia has actually ramped up for 2 months in a row now. Because on the other side, Saudi Arabia has to balance the expectation of its investors because Aramco has to do an IPO next year. They want a higher price. But if they can't get a higher price, the other option will be to then increase production so that revenues look good, at least for the IPO.